Good morning, macroeconomic students. Again, I hope your week is off to a great start, and I really hope that you're ready to have a great end to our semester together. A few notes. So, you have your fourth exam on international trade, which is chapter 20, this Friday, April 29th. It's quantitative. There are some things that you need to be preparing for so that way you can get the highest score possible. You should be very comfortable reading graphs about imports and exports, where you're comparing the world price to the domestic price and figuring out where equilibrium is. Using that information from the graphs and being able to apply that to table analysis or a word problem is also very useful. Also, knowing different types of protectionism, trade barriers, or quotas, or subsidies. Being able to talk about these and differentiate between different types of protectionism is also going to be imperative to being successful on this test. And perhaps most importantly, when you're talking about international trade, there's the differentiation between comparative advantage and absolute advantage. Now, both of these require some calculation, but the majority of the calculation has to do with comparative advantage. So be sure you spend some time there with the homework problems, with the study guide, with the examples in the book, and let me know if you have any questions between now and Friday. Next Friday, May 5th ish, maybe that's next Thursday actually, there is an opportunity for you to submit a bonus quiz and a bonus exam over the bonus chapter over the economics of pandemics. So if you choose to take the bonus quiz or the bonus exam, I'll just go in, look at your lowest quiz grade, your lowest exam grade. I'll kick those out and I'll replace them with what you earn on the economics of pandemic chapter. There is a learning curve as to how you take assessments in this class. They're difficult and they're really, really weighty. And so hopefully you are a more adept test taker now than you were back in January or February. And I want to reward you for that. So if you do choose to take the bonus quiz or the bonus homework, as I said, I'll just replace your lowest exam grade, probably something from earlier in the semester, with the higher exam or quiz grade from that chapter. And then that leaves us with a couple more announcements. First of all, about your exam 3 that you just recently had. If you completed the study guide, I added 5 points, and then there was a 5-point curve as well. So just earlier today, I was making those adjustments, or yesterday rather, I was making those adjustments into Canvas. And I want you to be sure to check your overall grades. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, so that way as we're going into the final, you're well aware as to where you stand in the class. And that's where my last announcement comes from. The final paper is going to be due on Wednesday, May 11th by noon. Now, prior to submitting that final paper, there is a peer evaluation. I want you to read someone else's paper, take a look at it using the rubric that I've posted for you, the same one that I'm going to use to grade your own final. And I want you to provide constructive criticism to a peer. That way, you're having someone else take a look at your submission before I do, and maybe that constructive criticism will help to boost your grade. If you choose to do a website instead of a paper, I'll automatically give you 10 points on your final off top. There are very specific rules as far as citing, providing graphs, how to write in general, both in the paper and on the website. So please be sure to consult Canvas and those pages that I posted regarding the final, and let me know as soon as possible if you have any questions. There is a peer evaluation, as I said. That peer evaluation means that you only need a draft of your paper or a draft of the website uploaded to Canvas by Monday, May 9th. You'll submit an evaluation for someone else on the 10th. You'll also receive your evaluation from someone else on the 10th before making sure that everything is submitted for me to see on the 11th. If you have any questions, let me know. As I said, I want to make sure that you are ending the semester better than how you started, and definitely with the grade that you have worked to earn. Have a great week.